Hello and welcome to another video of Python Pandas. On this channel you will get the videos which will be covering these topics which you can see right now on your screen related to Python Pandas. If you want to learn all the basics about Python Pandas in single videos, then you can look at your screen that I have already done a single video which will cover all of these topics. But that is a long 1 hour of video, so you have to spare at least 2 hours to cover everything, because if a video content is 1 hour, then you need something to practice also. So 2 hours if you have, you can go ahead and watch this video. Link is there in the description. Now let's move to today's agenda. So today what we are going to learn is that how to remove duplicate rows from pandas, and then how to remove duplicate rows by a column value. Okay, so let's say any roll number is coming repeatedly, so we want to remove only the column values, and then we want to keep the latest data or the previous data. So for that, first of all, let's have a look on the data, what kind of data we have. So here I have this Excel data available. You can have a look on these records as of now. So these are not totally duplicate, only this value unit sold is duplicate. I will zoom this so that you can have a better look on the file. Okay, so now let's start. I will go to my Python editor. PyCharm I am using here. You can use Jupyter Notebook as well. So I will add a new file. Okay, so first of all, we will import pandas as a PD I will take. So data frame also. So I have the folder inside my project folder itself. So if you see, this is my project folder where I have removed duplicate files. I am using the same file, so I am not giving complete path. If you want, you can give complete path also. Okay, now let's check that data frame is successfully created or not. So for that, I will be printing 5 from the data frame. Yeah, so you see that data is printed. You can see the data here also, same data. First 5 lines I have printed. Okay. Now the next point is that I want to remove all those rows which are completely duplicate. Means all the column values are duplicate. Okay, so for that, what I have done is I have delete the rows and use same data. This in place means that I am using same data frame. I am not assigning the modified data frame to a new data frame. Okay. And then I would like to print these lines over here. So one is before and one is after. So let's print both the data frames now, and then I am writing the output in the new Excel. Okay, so I will just expand this window. So you see there are two records of a similar kind, but here if you see the first record is available, another one is not available. Okay, so this is how you can remove the data which is totally duplicate in your data frame. I will remove all these lines which are not required anymore. It was for your better understanding. Okay. So let me show you the data also, the output file. So here you have the output file. You see only one record is there, and when you see in the main file, you have two records of this type. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. Okay, so we are done with the remove duplicate. Now next point is that how to remove data based on the column values, or you say subset. Okay, so I have added this data, that this is the last point, and I just have to change this one here because this is not same. Now this is same. Okay, and then the code for that is here in front of you. Okay, so if you want to keep last record, you have to mention here last. If you want to keep first record, you have to keep here first. Depends upon your requirement. And then you can notice that I have kept different names for file. This is different and this one is different. Okay, so now let's run and see the output. Yes, code is the file subset. Okay, let us check for the record which we have just duplicated last. So in this it should be last discount band. Go discount band. Here you go. So you have only one available on this price. Okay. First we have removed these, and then I think this is also removed because it is also same. And then these all are removed. So I'll just highlight what all is removed. And then this one is kept. Okay, so hope you have the clarity now on this how to remove rows from pandas. You can remove completely same rows, and you can remove rows with subset also. So thank you very much for your time. Go into the description and see all other links which are available for pandas and Python programming. And please like my videos and share my videos to your friend, and comment on the videos if you have any feedback for me. Thank you very much for your time.